guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook with frying pork. Welcome. We have the pork here. First we boil the meat. The ingredients we have the onions, garlic, carrots, and some green pepper, tomato, and we are going to serve it with rice. Salt, cooking oil, coriander, mixed up, turmeric, and last we are going to use beef masala. Thank you for watching. Watch until the end. This is our meat, our boiling pork. I'm going to boil it until the water disappears. Then it will fry itself by its own oil until it becomes golden brown. Then later I will add onions, garlic, ginger, tomato. I will show you next. Our pork is already golden brown. We are going to add onions. Garlic paste and ginger. Then later we add this one and turmeric. We give it a minute for the onion to be brown. Then we will be steaming our cabbage. It's brown. Now we are here. Paprika. Come we eat together, guys. Come we serve. The meat is ready. Our pork is ready. You can see. ready. Come we enjoy together. Say viewers. It's ready. We're frying pork. Let us serve it. Come we enjoy together, guys. You see, you can try this recipe at home and you will enjoy it. Our rice is ready. We are going to mix with carrot. Just reduce the fire. It's ready. Is ready. Welcome, eat together, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video, subscribing.